I realized that a lot of people might not have had a Hako in their fleet before. And so I wanted to just show you a couple of things that make the Hako different. And why the heck does Hako do that and not do the other thing that everybody else is doing? So what makes a Hako different? This is the baby, the Citymaster 600. And so even on this smaller unit, you'll see that there are some little things that make all the difference, that help explain the rest of the machine and what's going on, why Hako is so different to anything else that's out there. Let's have a quick look at the Citymaster 600.
One of the most important elements for the operation of this vehicle by operators is the visibility. And we've spoken before about how great the visibility and how much glass there is in this cabin.
Just look at the width that almost extends the entire width between the wheels of the suction head there. And that enables you to pick up large debris, which would be unthinkable for a machine of this size.
When you sit in the cab of a Citymaster 600 or any other Citymaster, it's obvious just how much glass there is, how much visibility there is all the way around to the back. But we've been asked as well why our pillars are so thick. You get some people that say, well, if you had slimline pillars and you shave off a few millimeters, it would give you even more visibility. Well, it's the same reason that our screens are over here and not like a lot of other manufacturers where they've put it up here. If you want to check your speed, if you want to check your brushes or any of your other systems, you don't want to be looking up and down, up and down. There isn't a motor manufacturer with any motor vehicle that has their dashboard up here. It's always here within line of sight so you don't take your eye off the road. And everything here with our controller can be changed from the position here with the arm close to all of the brush controls and everything else. This is a ROPS cab, which means it's a rollover protection structure, and it's a certified ROPS cab, so that if you have an impact or an unfortunate accident with a vehicle on the road, you're well protected. These are sweepers, and these sweepers operate on both footpaths, and when they're transporting, they will be driving to places. So they're interacting with other vehicles on the road. There is a danger inherent in that. And so we want our operators to be as protected as if they were in their own motor vehicle. Even if I hop out the cab here and we look at the front, got bracing on the doors, you can see the framework in the front, which will protect you in the case of a front impact. Just the construction of the whole machine. Here, it's built for impact. We use brass water sprayer nozzles, not plastic ones, mounted on these rubber flexible mounts so that they can be bashed, as opposed to plastic ones. Will be broken in any small impact. We've got sliders on the brushes here that allow for full front impact, and we've got cables that release so that in the case of an impact, the brush will swing around to the side of the machine.
Why did Hako build the Citymaster 600 out of aluminium? Well, in a word, weight. It allows us to have a payload in such a compact unit of 500 kilograms with no corrosion. It also means that the center of gravity is much lower because you've got your engine below the hopper and creates a very safe environment.